push my own a key in a door. I mean, say drive my own a car. Man, sharp, but my neck.
So yeah, me I say big and bad, straight, I did one dan. See me I say. I mean I violate no artist. I mean I this no artist, but what I say to the artist them, yo, you can sing better song than that. You see me, low the gun thing out on the song them Rasta. Yeah, the gun play on the song them. That not good. That's about help crush on a career. Because remember the Bible said, whatever a man sow that them gonna reap. You see what me I say? Straight. So me I say yo to the artist them. Just like how the law I want to know. Yeah man, just cut out that thing there because we don't bring down judgment on ourselves. Anyway, me I talk about cartel. Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. Me say, Kartel are the biggest dancehall hero, the baddest dancehall hero ever. They're on the face of the earth. That's what me I say. In a Jamaica, out of Jamaica. Behind bars and with them free. That's what me I say. But me never hear Kartel sing no song about nobody watch thing Rasta. None of that. So me I make Jamaica know and know say Kartel is a real dancehall hero. It's not everything Kartel say to get a hype. It's what me I say. Straight. Kartel don't say everything to get a hype. In spite of the people that don't like him. I want to see him suffer. But you know remember say all of we are pray for the man suffer. Only day come. All of we come. We don't fight Alkaline and in music. But me I say yo nobody watch thing. And all if a man are free, all if me end up in the freaky world and me are free, me not look out no girl battery Rasta, straight. Me tell a man that, none of that me no depend. That's what me I say, yeah. But it's a Kartel to the world, Gaza to the world, all Gaza fans, you know say Kartel are the real dancehall hero, the real boss. You see me? World boss apart from God was the bigger boss. That's what me I say. I don't know how to wonder. I will not fight no young people. But me I say some man be careful of what they say out of their mouth. That's what me I say. Straight. Because the words where you use in your mouth are the same words to command you one next time. Round. Yeah. So artists, we not tell the man what to sing or say. But me I say yo. Just lower the body wash thing. That's what me I say. Straight. Yeah man. Real. Lower the body wash thing and do some proper song, brother. Some man sing some song. What you tell young people say? Eh? Or you tell the girls say them people come lick out your body after them done suck off your hood and all them shit there. Me never hear Kartel with them shit there. A shit come out of body. You understand me? So if a man have a lick out a girl have a lick out a man body, she don't mean her system no good. That's what me I say. Straight. That's what me see. You know, might see a crack, but you're not crack. But hear me I say, I work for people who freaky things in all kind of different ways. But Rasta, me certain lines me not cross. You see what me I say? Trust me. Certain things me not do. Because number one, me not with nobody. You see what me I say? Nobody thing Rasta. Me I tell the world this. Me not with nobody. I wanna mingle with body. You see what I say? I should come out of body. So our man tell a girl say, body wash and with suck is a brother. That is fuckery. You see what me I say? I say I respect Kartel to the fullest. And whoever say Gaza, you see me? Yeah man, me not buy no Alkaline CD there. No. Me can tell the world that cause my money I spend. Me not care who want buy music. Me not buy none. Can you mention the body wash thing there? That thing that kind of cramp him away, you see me? Trust me. Yeah. Me not do that. Me not buy no CD. Who want buy can't support him. Me not tell the son of his support him. But me not support Alkaline music. None at all. Straight. Yeah, no pound of a vex and say, oh, that pussy have to dead. But this the artist. But me I say, yo, anyone want to do me nothing, I try sing. I like when no one do me something. When I go see what I go on. Straight. And me done chat. Gaza, me say, yeah. Big up Gaza fans. Big up Popcorn. Big up Lisa I. Big up Gaza Slim. So me I say, yeah man, Penny Sabling, I do them Gaza Slim. Straight. Big up all of the Gaza family them. World boss, they behind bar, they still around the place. All here some bad mind artists a chat. So man they behind bars and I do song. We know you not do no song Kartel. We know you do your song them for a long time. Straight. So you don't know one done I say yo, Gaza to the flipping world, not switch. None of that. You see what I say? Yeah.
Watch me, them a pray. My skin make you think me a color TV, but me no TV. See you youth, me no YouTube. What do you youth? What do you youth? What do you youth?